All right, let's spin up the Quizatron.
Quizatron 9000.
We got 5 questions here. Again, you can record your answers and then verify them with the solutions video at the end of the chapter. Question 1. Which method is the most secure way to allow users to create an account themselves? A. Allowing only administrators to add user accounts. B. Allowing users to register with email validation. C. Allowing users to register and require activation by an administrator. Question 2. Which forms are public-facing by default? Check all that apply. A. Add a basic page form. B. Login form. C. User registration form. D. Personal contact form. And E. User edit form. Question 3. What does the time gate feature of the honeypot module do? A. Checks the amount of time between repeated form submissions. B. Limits the number of form submissions per hour. C. Prevents submitting a form within a certain amount of time of it loading. Or D. Teleports the form submitter to a random point in history. Question 4. What does the mail log module do? Check all that apply. A. Sends emails to an administrator instead of to the intended recipient. B. Saves sent emails to the database so they can be viewed later. C. Prevents emails from accidentally being sent during development. D. Displays the contents of an email when it is sent for easy debugging. And question 5. Drupal helps guard against brute force attacks by doing what? A. Creating a mandatory time delay between login form submissions. B. Sending an administrator an email when a user repeatedly attempts to use a login form unsuccessfully. C. Limiting the number of times the login form can be submitted per hour. And D. Automatically sending a message to spam monitoring services with the user's IP address. And again, you can verify your answers in the solutions video for this chapter.